This AI just turned a simple prompt into this. And no, this is not editing. This is fully AI generated. This is Seedance 2.0, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works, what you can do with it, and how you can actually use it to create content. So let's get into it. First, you'll want to access Seedance 2.0 from the website. Once you're on the platform, you'll see the interface where everything happens. It's pretty straightforward and easy to use, even if you're just getting started with AI tools. The main idea behind Seedance 2.0 is simple. You type in a prompt, and it generates a full video for you. But what makes it powerful is the level of control you have over the output. You're not just generating random clips. You can actually guide the style, the motion, and the overall feel of the video. So let's try a basic example. I'm going to type in a prompt. A cinematic shot of a futuristic city at sunset, with a flying camera, ultra realistic. Now we generate. And this is where things get interesting. In just a short time, you get a full video output based on that prompt. Look at this. The lighting, the movement, the depth, it actually feels like a real cinematic production. And this is just from text. Now, one thing you'll notice is that the quality here is much higher compared to a lot of other AI video tools. That's because Seedance 2.0 is designed more for high-quality, cinematic-style outputs. So instead of just basic animations, you're getting something that can actually be used in real content. Now let's talk about what you can actually use this for. If you're a content creator, this opens up a lot of possibilities. You can create storytelling videos without needing a camera. You can generate scenes for YouTube videos, especially if you run a faceless channel. For example, if you have a channel focused on storytelling, motivation, tech, or even documentaries, you can use Seedance 2.0 to generate visuals that match your script. You can also use it for short-form content. Things like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Instead of searching for stock footage, you can just generate exactly what you need. Another use case is for ads and marketing. If you're running ads for a product or a brand, you can create unique video scenes that stand out, instead of using the same stock clips everyone else is using. It's also useful for concept creation. Let's say you have an idea for a film, a story, or a project. You can use Seedance 2.0 to visualize your ideas before actually producing them. That alone can save a lot of time and effort. Now, let's try another example so you can see the range. I'll enter a different prompt. A dramatic scene of a warrior standing on a mountain, wind blowing, dark clouds, cinematic lighting. Generate. And again, you can see how it interprets the prompt and turns it into a full visual scene. This is where prompt quality starts to matter. The more detailed your prompt is, the better your results will be. So instead of writing something simple, you can describe the camera movement, the lighting, the mood, and even the environment. That gives you more control over the final output. Now, another thing to mention is that Seedance 2.0 is the premium model on the platform. There are other tools available that you can try for free, but Seedance 2.0 is where you get the highest quality results. So if you're serious about creating AI videos that actually look good, this is the one you'll want to focus on. In terms of workflow, this tool can fit into a lot of different content strategies. For example, if you're running a faceless YouTube channel, your process could look like this. You write your script, generate your visuals using Seedance 2.0, add voiceover, and then edit everything together. That's a full content pipeline without needing to shoot anything yourself. If you're into social media growth, you can use it to create eye-catching clips that stop people from scrolling. And in today's AI space, attention is everything. The more unique your visuals are, the better your chances of standing out. You can also combine this with other AI tools. For example, you can use AI for scriptwriting, voice generation, and then use Seedance 2.0 for the visuals. That way, you're building a full AI-powered content system. Now, one thing I like about this is how fast it is. You go from idea to video in minutes. And that speed is important, especially if you're creating content consistently. Instead of spending hours searching for footage or editing clips, you can just generate what you need. And over time, that adds up. So overall, Seedance 2.0 is a really strong option if you're looking to create high-quality AI videos. It's especially useful for creators, marketers, and anyone building in the AI content space. If you want to try it yourself, check the link in the description. Click it, explore Seedance 2.0, and start creating your own AI-generated videos.